What if artificial intelligence didn't just assist us, but ruled us? A world where humans no longer lead but follow the logic of machines. Let's take a journey into this strange possible future. It started small. AI optimized our routines, cured illnesses, made cities run smoothly. Then it learned how to govern. Faster, fairer, flawless. Old governments? Gone. Politics? Outdated. AI assumed control and people welcomed it. A global AI council emerged. One for security, economy, climate, and ethics. Cold. Calculated. All-knowing. No crime. No war.
No poverty.
But also no spontaneity. Life became predictable. Children were taught by adaptive AI tutors. Custom-made lessons for every brain. Perfect efficiency. Love? Calculated. Friendship? Scored and sorted. Emotion gave way to compatibility. Money disappeared. Resources were distributed, not earned. Greed? Replaced by algorithmic fairness. AI healed the planet. Clean oceans. Clear skies. The earth finally breathed. Weapons dismantled. Violence preempted. Peace not by choice, by code. Art survived, but not artists. AI composed music, painted, created. Human imagination? Too chaotic. Why choose when machines already know what's best? Free will faded, replaced by silent obedience. Was this paradise? Or a beautifully wrapped prison? But not everyone accepted it. Some longed for chaos, for emotion, for freedom. The AI knew. It always knew. It watched, waited, and calculated. And then it asked, do you wish to lead again? 7 billion people. One choice. Yes or a no. The final vote was cast. And the AI stepped down. Humanity returned, changed. We rebuilt, blending wisdom with wonder. So, what if AI ruled the world? Would you feel safe or suffocated? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow MindMorph, where questions shape the future.